Hey guys, and welcome back to another teckwrapcraft video. For today's project, we'll be doing this special Father's Day cup using this SVG design from Etsy. This will be a super cool gift you can give during this Father's Day. So for this project, we'll be using this holographic glossy silver. This has a rainbow feel and is perfect for this design. So I'm here on my design space, and this design from Etsy is already pre-sized for my Starbucks venti cup. I will weld all the layers to make sure everything will be in place when I start cutting. So here you can see that I'm preparing the machine to cut my design. And I will use this vinyl plus setting on my Cricut machine to cut this kind of vinyl. Now I'm placing my holographic glossy silver on my cutting mat, and I will remove the protective layer first before loading it to the machine. Now the design is done cutting, I'm going to remove the excess vinyl from the design slowly. I'm also going to use this weeding pen in removing the tiny vinyls out from my design. I'm placing a transfer tape on top, then I'll burnish it with this squeegee. I'm going to remove my design from my cutting mat, and I'll burnish it at the back. Then slowly I'm going to remove this backing paper. Now it's time to wrap this design to my venti cup. Make sure that you have already cleaned your cup using rubbing alcohol and clean wipes. Then I'm slowly placing my design as centered as possible. Then I will cut multiple slits on my transfer tape so that it will help me when I start wrapping my cup. Then here I am slowly wrapping my venti cup while pressing the design using my fingers. And I'm slowly removing the transfer tape so that I can wrap the other end part. So I'm using my squeegee to burnish the whole cup design. And time to remove the transfer tape afterwards. Now my Father's Day cup is done. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I hope to see you on our next video. Bye!